Hey guys, in this video I got this massive letter lot right here. Well, I bought 5 ThinkPad Yoga 12. I think it's the first gen model, I forgot. But yeah, I bought 5 of them for, well, 30 ringgit per laptop. Well, I did buy off a store that sells laptops online, so hopefully I don't get ripped off. But let's unbox it and see what we got and see if they actually work. Ooh, that's a pretty beat up box. Ooh, here they are. Look at that. Well, I also bought this. No clue why. But look at them. We got 5 ThinkPads. Let's check out inside. I think it's a anti-glare model. They can definitely flip. But yeah, pretty beat out. Feels quite hollow inside. And wow, the rubber is actually turned sticky, so let's check out inside. Oh man. Well, no battery. Okay, expect. Put that aside. Ooh, this one actually feels quite complete. Wow, frame is quite beat out. But hey, it does work. Does it actually turn on? Let's see. Yeah, no, not at all. Let's check out inside. I mean, there's a battery inside. That's good news, I guess. This one feels really light too. Does not turn on either. Yeah, there's no battery inside, as I expected. What about these? This one feels like there's nothing inside. Oh no, this one's taken apart. That's not good. And here's the last one. Ooh, this one's relatively complete. Does it turn on? No. Check out inside. Ooh, this one's relatively complete. So, yep, I have to go now. I'll test it and get back home. And yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, we're ready to test now, so let's start with this one. And let's plug the charger in. Oh, blinking red light. I hear fan. doesn't look like it's doing anything. And oh, never mind. It worked. Ooh, it does work. But how about that? It's not really sensitive. Let's go to BIOS. So 4th Gen i5. Ooh, we got 8 gigabytes of RAM. Not bad. And I think that's about it. Oh, even saves the date. That's surprising. Well, actually, I don't remember if this one had a battery. Well, let's check that. Let's go to diagnose hardware. Alright. LCD test. So it does work fine. So actually, system information. Does this even have a battery? Oh, we got 1080p display. Look at that. We got 1080p display. That's really amazing. Wow, 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's the normal stuff here. So yeah, we got one working laptop. That's pretty nice. So let's turn this off. Alright. Oh, I can unplug it. And let's move on to the next one. Here's another one with a battery inside. It's literally falling apart. Wow, look at that. This one's actually a little bit spicy, but hopefully it doesn't affect anything. So let's see. This one's in pretty bad condition. Plug that in. Ooh, blinking red light. Turn that on. Ooh, it works. I think it works. This one clearly had newer BIOS. That's CMOS battery. Oh man, there's a password lock. Oh, maybe not. So the supervisor password. That's unfortunate. Pretty much same specs. 4th Gen i5 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. BIOS. The BIOS battery is obviously dead. But other than that, it looks fine. Let's check out diagnostics. System information. Yeah, pretty much what I expect. Ooh, this one also has a 1080p display. That's amazing. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Quite unfortunate, yeah, supervisor password. Hopefully I can get that removed. So, yeah, another working one. Now for once without a battery. Yeah, this one doesn't have a battery. Let's see if it works. Oh, this one's stinky as hell. Oh, red light. Oh, there we go. Hopefully this one doesn't have a supervisor password. Oh man, it does. Oh, great computeries and for real. That's amazing. Hopefully it doesn't lock itself. Let's see if computeries is on. The supervisor password. Yep, it's activated. Hopefully it doesn't lock itself. Let's check out diagnostics. Well, it's been a few days. It's literally May 23 and it's midnight once again. But anyway, so all of them surprisingly turns on. Here's the two ThinkPads. They have batteries in them. Well, unfortunately, the batteries are completely cooked. Yeah, it's stuck at 0%, and of course it won't charge. Here's the knot that made. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, it won't charge at all. At least it turns on. And this one is straight out not being detected at all. Yeah, look at that. So really unfortunate, especially since for some reason the batteries for this are actually kind of expensive. They're like 25 US dollars, I think. So not sure if I gonna get a new battery for them, but yeah, that's that. Also, I would eventually take the matte coating off the screen. Look at how scuffed out it is. Wait, let me turn this off. There we go. Yeah, look at how scuffed out it is. It's a pretty bad shape. So probably would take it off eventually. But I already did on this one. So the screen looks basically mint now. So yeah, that's that. And lastly, here are the three ThinkPads. They do turn on work, but they have no batteries and hard drive inside just yet. Yeah, look at the knots that made. Well, one of them do unfortunately have compute trace. Wait, which one is it again? Oh great, the knot fell off this one. I think it's this. Yep, it's this one. So this thing has compute trace. Really unfortunate. Not sure how am I gonna remove that, but it does boot into Windows and work just fine for now, even if I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So hopefully I could somehow bypass that server. Yeah, I got no idea. But yeah, that's that. So I guess this is it. This didn't turn out to be that bad after all, especially since they're all working fine except the batteries. And we actually have forgot to check out specs. So here are the specs. Base model CPU, it's a Core i5 4200U, and we got whopping 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, which is amazing. And we even got the upgraded Intel Wi-Fi card, so that's very nice. And this is just a hard drive that I put inside. And yeah, yes, touchscreen. It works too, and it even has pen support, which I didn't even realize until now. But yeah, it does look pretty gorgeous actually. So quite a good panel, especially for a laptop this old. So yeah, I guess this is it. This thing has exact same specs as well. Yeah, to mind about broken touchpad. Wow, this hard drive's slow. But anyway, yeah, same specs. Also has touchscreen. So yeah, I guess this is it. Probably would repair them off camera. Got no idea what to do with them for now. But yeah, I'll probably repair them off camera. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.